So the data check is completed. I mentioned that, and now I have to create a new folder, call it job or jobs files. Yeah, job files, right? And inside that folder, I have to copy these two Python scripts that I have developed. One is for submitting the job, another one is for monitoring the job. And I have to search into this folder and find the INP file or the input file, copy it here and paste it here, right? Similarly, another thing which I need to instantly do here is to create a backup folder or backup file, right? A finalized files and paste the INP file here as well as the .ga and .gnl file. So these two are the files that are required here. So I can call it frc finalized.cae and um, frc finalized.gnl. So these are the files that I need here, and now I need to submit the job by double clicking on it, and it will ask me for the name of the file. So I need to copy it without the extension and press on enter, and it will submit the job. And also I will wait for it. So uh, let's see what's going on in the model. And double click on monitor job here. So you can see here now the job is submitted and it's monitoring it. So let's see what's going on here, right? So we have to wait for it until this job is completed. Then I will demonstrate how to work on the other files and how to consider parametric studies in fiber reinforced concrete structures. It's not limited to the concrete cylinders. These were some of the files that I did for a client, and then I changed the percentage in the parameters so that I can consider them in this manner and make a tutorial from it for all of you, just in case if you are watching them. Um, Various researchers have done notable case studies, and several large-scale projects have successfully implemented FRC, such as airport runways, bridges, decks, and industrial floors. So these projects have demonstrated the material's effectiveness in enhancing durability and reducing the maintenance uh, cost. And of course, there are some ongoing projects in the research area of FRC continues to explore hybrid fiber system, which use the recycled fibers and smart fibers with self-sensing capabilities are emerging areas of interest in the research perspective. So here are some challenges and future prospects as well, which is regarding to the usage of the FRC and challenges in FRC include the higher cost of fibers, difficulties in achieving uniform fiber distribution, and compatibility with conventional concrete construction practices. Also, regarding to the future of FRC, the future of FRC lies in the development of sustainable and high-performance fiber systems, according to the literature. So, the integration of smart fiber can monitor structural health, and the use of FRC in 3D printing are promising area for future research. We can use them as well. So, I am thinking to kind of consider the 3D printing and do some discussion on it, analysis. So let's see what's going on in the model. Material got unstable, and I think so. The failure is occurring in this model. You can quickly check the ODB file and the job file. This is the current file that is under simulation, and we can see that it's failing under compression and active yielding is occurring, and we got the scalar degradation here as well. So let's go to option common and then scale to 10. Then OK, and see what's going on in this model. And let's look at the status here. It's simulating, but I think the curve capacity curve already fall down. We can develop the stress strain area or the other parameters for this model as well. So we go to options, common, and include free features here and the edges. So let's go to stresses and we can monitor them here as well. And if I look at the behavior of this model and I remove these parts, and then I can find out the axial forces orientation as well here. You can look at the behavior here, switch to y-x view, and you can also find out that how these forces are transferring in it emerging. Right? So Let's stop it. Let's look at the behavior again. 3.137, and let's go to the ODB history output request data here. Plot the reaction force and plot the displacement here. So it's still under consideration. We should close it and wait for it until it is completed. And for the time being, you can study the input file here as well. So just in case if you have some doubts, you can look at the behavior of the model. So I will wait for it until this job is completed, and after that I will do some discussion on the other steps just to make it simple and make it understandable that how the results can be plotted. Thank you so much for watching.